In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find or see all mentions of your YouTube channel. So if you have anyone mentioning your channel, maybe highlighting the channel name, you can see these mentions in your YouTube studio. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and go to your YouTube studio by clicking on your profile image and then click on YouTube studio. Now from here, go ahead and choose Community tab, and this will display these three options: comments, viewer posts, as well as mentions. So to see mentions, go ahead and click on mentions, and here you should be able to see all the people or all the accounts that have mentioned you. So that's how you can find mentions of your channel in YouTube Studio. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.